Dear friend, welcome back to our technical session. So in today's video, I'm going to tell you about the coating market update on epoxy coatings. So you know that Axalta launches Pacotop CS388 Supras and High Build Epoxy Primer 2 days before. So what is Axalta? So actually this is a leading global coating provider company that dedicated to the development, manufacturing and delivering and service of liquid and powder coatings in United States and all over world. So what is the epoxy primer which Axalta launches? We'll know in detail. So Axalta launches the Pacotop CS388 Super and High Volt Epoxy Primer for customers in Europe, and this primer can be applied directly to the metal surfaces and eliminates the need for fillers, surface or e-coat. E-coat means electrocoating coat. Axalta Pacotop CS388 high bold epoxy primer that decreases drying and sanding times by 50%, even which used with a thicker film than any other traditional epoxy primers. And this primer delivers superior corrosion resistance and humidity protection and easily applied using common spray equipment. So this is a really good primer which Axalta launches now, and this combination makes it the perfect blend of protection and efficiency and ideal for use on commercial vehicles such as trailers, buses and large trucks. You can apply this kind of primers. So Axalta continuously delivering exceptional products that meets the ever-changing needs for our global transportation customers. So generally, Axalta uh, make makes those products those are applicable for transportation customers and are really helpful for big containers and transportation vehicles. We are excited to introduce a best in class epoxy primer, and they are expand our product offering for commercial vehicle customers as well. And European Director of Commercial Transportation quoting at Axalta, they are saying that with faster curing times and a reduced baking time, this product having a easy to apply primer that helps our customer be more efficient and conserve energy. So this is a really good product. The Nebeli Rhodes, that European Director of Commercial Transportation Coatings at Axalta, he said it is a product we can use as a primer that helps the customers to get a good reduced baking time and to get a good and more efficient conserve energy. So I hope that you would like this product, and really it's a good product for transportation vehicles and big containers. Thank you guys for being the part of this session.